Hi there, school is back in full session and some of your children might be getting sick out there. Sometimes it's a respiratory illness with a cough. As a pediatrician, I always find it really helpful to actually hear the cough, and miraculously many of my patients come in and don't cough even once in the office. If you are home with a child who has a cough, please take an audio clip or a video clip, as the way a cough sounds can actually help us make a diagnosis. If you have any questions about whether or not your child is ill and needs medical advice, it's always helpful to have that video or audio clip so your doctor can take a good listen. Hope this helps.